Hey, it's Elgin over at the Elgin and Pilar Walker team. Just coming with you with a little message. I had a client, a potential client, a customer that was considering walking away from her property and actually asked me to discuss why should she bother the short sale, and that she's tried a loan modification pretty much off and on the last 2 years. It's been unsuccessful. She's done everything she felt she possibly could to keep her credit, stay in her home, felt that the banks weren't working with her, et cetera, which is a story that we hear a lot. And unfortunately, in a lot of cases, it's true. What I would say to anyone out there, and what I said to this potential customer is this, is that if you're at the point to where you're about to walk away from your home, you can't afford it anymore, don't want to afford it anymore, whatever the case may be, but you're going to walk away, you are so much better doing a short sale on that property if possible. And here's a couple of the biggest reasons why. Number one, on the short sale, odds are whatever you're going through right now, things will probably swing in your favor in the future. If you're able to do a short sale, number one, there are some seller incentives out there on most short sale programs which actually allow you to get some money at the close of escrow. The minimum is $2,500 up to like $30,000, depending upon the bank, type of loan, that sort of thing. But figure that $2,500 to $3,000 mark. Now, in addition to that, there's no foreclosure on your record. So the only thing that's going to show on your record are late payments, if you've had any, prior to that. Now, your credit report will take a hit. It's going to say that your loan has been satisfied, but it will drop your FICO initially. Not difficult to get your FICO score back up. In addition to that, you will be relieved from all debt and liability if the short sale is done properly. And this is through the end of the year, the end of 2012, by the way, that this is good. So now you basically can start over. And within a 2-year period on extenuating circumstances, 3-year period normal, you'll be able to go out, purchase another piece of real estate at whatever the best rate and prevailing terms are at the time, assuming, of course, that the rest of your credit you have kept intact, got intact, whatever the case may be. But bottom line is you will have an opportunity to purchase again. Imagine what the market will be in 3 years. Will the market be better or a whole lot better in 3 years than it is today? I don't know, but I doubt that the market will be back to where it was in 2005, 2004, 2006, where those prices were. Odds are you'd still be able to buy a home, your own home that you're in now, for less or with a better mortgage payment than what you currently are in that same property, and not be underwater on it. Now, if you were to walk away from your property, the first thing is that you're looking at 7 to 10 years in most cases before you're able to buy something at a good rate and term. Yes, you could buy another home again, but you're going to be looking at larger down payments, larger interest rates. You're going to be looking at some very unfavorable terms because you're going to be at a high risk. Yes, in a lot of cases, the banks will give you a cash for keys type of situation, depending upon the bank and the situation, if you were to leave the property. But with the stain that it's going to do on your credit and what you're going to receive from cash for keys, is it really worth it? In most cases, I would say that it's not. So, there are also possible, in my state, tax ramifications possible on letting the property go to foreclosure. You're just not automatically wiped out of capital gains taxes and things like that. And you need to talk to a professional on specifics. But it's not, all right, I walked away from the home and they're done with me type of a situation. That is not necessarily the case. Also, in the loan, depends upon whether you have a refi that loan or not. Is it an original first purchase money loan? There are some things in there that if you just walk away, does not mean it can't come back at you to bite later on. So be careful about that and get all the information you can possibly get before you just walk away. If you have some questions, some specifics, and you'd like some answers, you'd like to talk to somebody, hey, it's free to talk to us. We'll do whatever we can do to point you in the right direction, or whatever that direction is, and give you honest answers for whether it's a loan modification, a short sale, a forbearance agreement, a deed in lieu of, or again, if maybe the best answer is for you to walk away. Thanks a lot for listening. And remember, again, no matter what you're going through in life, it is just a temporary condition because it truly is a great life. God bless. Thank you for listening.